This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
अरे भाई क्या कैच था. They call it the greatest ever in the world of cricket, especially the ICC T20 World Championship. We cannot walk away from the fact that this T20 World Championship by our men in blue was the best finals we have seen. I mean, Suryakumar Yadav taking David Miller out, that was just what we needed in that nail-biting last over of the final match of the ICC Champions Trophy this year. क्या बात है कैप्टन रोहित शर्मा के लिए, कोच राहुल द्रविड़ और विराट कोहली के लिए ये क्या फिटिंग क्लोज रहा है उनकी T20 करियर के लिए, राइट? I've got to talk about it. And the show is called Filmy Friday. यानी फिल्मों के बारे में बातें होंगी कि नहीं? अरे ज़रूर होंगी, लेकिन T20 वर्ल्ड कप का ये जो अचीवमेंट और अकम्पलिशमेंट है, इसके बारे में नॉट ओनली आर वी फीलिंग प्राइड, but I think this has recorded history that everyone will continue talking about, a worthy and deserving win for the men in blue. इसकी बातें तो होंगी ही, पर फिल्मों के बारे में भी बातें होंगी. कल्कि 2898 AD, an unexpected hit, you think? Maharaj, which is Junaid Khan's debut. Oh my God, people seem to be loving him on the screen. And there is more. कितनी सारी फिल्में आज रिलीज हो रही हैं, कितनी सारी फिल्में इस हफ्ते रिलीज हो चुकी हैं, both on OTT platforms as well as in the theaters. There's so much to talk about. You are going to be thoroughly entertained with your host Annie on Filmy Friday. This is your favorite radio station. It's called Go MMT Radio. Why did I even call Kalki an unexpected hit? Well, that's because I felt that for a very, very big budget film like Kalki 2898 AD, प्री-प्रमोशंस या मार्केटिंग शायद थोड़ा सा कम किया था. well, बातें तो इसकी काफ़ी सालों से चलती आ रही है. But you know what? I think it was a smart move, क्योंकि नाग अश्विन, the director, as well as the entire team behind Kalki were very, very confident about the content of the film. And I think box office में जितना ये क्लिक इन कर रही है पैसे, उसे तो समझ आता ही है कि people are loving it and it's a great storyline. Spectacular trailer of Kalki 2898 launched with huge fanfare. बस उसी से ही लोगों को इतना प्यार आ गया कि ये विजुअल स्पेक्टिकल तो देखना ही था. एंड माइंड यू, अगर आज तक यानी कि इतने दिनों में अगर आपने फिल्म नहीं देखी है, प्लीज डोंट वेट फॉर इट टू कम ऑन दी OTT स्क्रीन. कोई मज़ा नहीं आएगा. दिस फिल्म इज एक्चुअली मेड फॉर द बिग स्क्रीन, तो इसीलिए आपको थिएटर्स में ही जाकर देखना है. And so do that while we continue celebrating that this has become the highest grossing Indian film of this year 2024. बाकी सारे opening day records ये already surpass कर चुकी है, like KGF 2 को surpass कर चुकी है, and even Jawan for that matter. But the only two films that are above Kalki are RRR and Bahubali 2, which means प्रभास के लिए ये सेकेंड बिगेस्ट ब्लॉकबस्टर है ऑफ हिज करियर, एंड दैट आई थिंक इज अ बिग डील. एंड फॉर दीपिका पादुकोण दिस इज अ ग्रेट वे टू गो इनटू हर मैटरनिटी लीव. शी कैन be rest assured कि भाई I have been a star and now I am a bigger star and a really, really good one and deserving one at that. We're so proud of you, Deepika. And yeah, take good rest because we can't wait to see you become a mommy soon.
Social Spotlight on Go MMT Radio.
It's time for the Social Spotlight on Filmy Friday today with your host Annie. You're listening to Go MMT Radio. Haven't you checked out the MMT Insta page? I mean, it's got some of the most exotic places that you still haven't actually explored. Whether it is in India, by the way, I did look up the 50 secret wonders of India. And they are some of the most beautiful places. I've been to these places, these states, these cities, but I haven't actually checked these out. The next time I go, I'm going to do it. But I'm also going to be a very responsible traveler. I am going to ensure I'm not going to litter the place at all, but leave it just the way I found it. Because that's the way I can keep this place beautiful, virgin, and definitely exotic. Oh my God, from the Shettihalli Rosary Church in Karnataka, which is a neo-Gothic style church floating on the backwaters, to the Gada Gushaini in Himachal Pradesh, to even the Longor village in Nagaland. Oh, this is a must try. Do check it out, by the way. And the MMT UAE gives you so many offers, to Maldives, to even water sports, to even some really nice things, which is itinerary that is revealed for Istanbul and Bangkok. You may want to check that out. Let's go straight to Go Ibibo. Oh my god, these guys are crazy. Full Vasool stays in Pattaya to full Vasool travel calendar that you can actually plan with Go Ibibo. I don't think you want to miss out on this one at all. And Redbus India did something really cool with International Yoga Day. They talked about some flexi ticket. You've got to check out the Insta page to know more. Chartered buses that they can also offer you. Redbus does that training session for drivers and helpers. They're a cool place to learn so much more about travel within the country, within the city. Well, that's the social spotlight for you, an exclusive on Filmy Friday with your host Annie.
Social Spotlight on Go MMT Radio.
It was when the South African team, especially Heinrich Klaasen, who was at 52 and 27, the point where the game looked like South Africa was taking the trophy home. पर उसके बाद डेथ ओवर्स में जब जसप्रीत बुमराह और हार्दिक पांड्या आ गए मैदान में और उन्होंने पुल किया, which was nothing less than outstanding to turn the nail-biting second innings in our favor. Player of the match was Virat Kohli and our first ICC title since Champions Trophy in 2013. अब जाकर हमें मिला है and this championship has ended our ICC trophy drought. इसी के साथ साथ कैप्टन रोहित शर्मा, विराट कोहली के लिए, कोच राहुल द्रविड़ के लिए, जो तीनों ही T20 फॉर्मेट से रिटायरमेंट ले रहे हैं, जिसका अनाउंसमेंट इन्होंने पहले ही किया था. This was just a fitting close. I mean, come on. I mean, your names have been etched in the pages of cricket history and everybody's going to remember you for what great players you have been and for the win you brought back home. There were tears in everybody's eyes. बाकायदा सब लोग इतने इमोशनल हो गए थे, पूरी दुनिया इमोशनल हो चुकी थी, इंक्लूडिंग ऑल द एक्स क्रिकेटर्स, एक्स टीम इंडिया प्लेयर्स, Robin Uthappa to Ashwin to everybody who in their conversations on different social media platforms आंखें भर आई थी उनकी. They all have gone viral, for this fitting close to their career of T20. Thank you so much, Team Rohit Sharma. Take a bow. You have been simply fabulous. On that note, the next song on my playlist, well, this is the Go MMT Radio, your favorite radio station. Junaid Khan ko bulawa aaya tha by director Siddharth P. Malhotra and producer Aditya Chopra because it's a Yash Raj film that released on the OTT platform Netflix just last week, jiska naam hai Maharaj, a social drama that marks his debut. Junaid Khan kaun? The son of legend Aamir Khan. क्या इसकी कोई भी मार्केटिंग या प्री प्रमोशन किया गया था? नहीं किया गया था. But turns out there was a good reason behind it because they were very confident about their content. Now, I wouldn't say हर एरिया में when it comes to screenplay, when it comes to cinematography and storytelling, ये बिल्कुल 10 on 10 है ना. स्क्रीन प्ले में थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो रहा था ये फिल्म, but overall storytelling was very very strong because it is actually based on the real life 19th century social reformer Karsan Das Mulji, and that is what Junaid was playing in the film Maharaj. If you still haven't watched it, for Junaid, who's done an outstanding job, and for, of course, Jaideep Ahlawat, who is playing the Maharaj himself, you must watch the film. And the two girls, Sharvari Bagh as well as Shalini, both the girls also have done a tight job, a really, really nice job. So, आपको मज़ा ज़रूर आएगा and it's a great way to welcome Junaid into the industry because yes, he has proven with his debut that he is a promising talent and will have a long run in the industry. बात करते हैं OTT प्लेटफॉर्म की. सबसे पहले मिर्जापुर सीजन 3. Now it is poised to plunge viewers back into its shadowy and gruesome saga. ये brutal power struggles को intensify करने वाली है इस बार. And there are vendettas. Lawless city में ये vendettas ये तो और भी अच्छे से dramatize करने वाली है और define करने वाली है what मिर्जापुर season 3 is going to be all about. क्योंकि दिव्येंदु मुन्ना is out of the picture और गुड्डू अली फजल has now taken over the throne and he is of course supported by Golu played by Shweta Tripathi and Beena Rasika Duggal. अब ये लोग navigate करते हैं treacherous waters को उनके नए मतलब रूल में और उसके बाद of course पंकज त्रिपाठी आएंगे बदला लेने के लिए। दिस इज गोइंग टू बी सो मच फन। आई थिंक यू आर फैंस ऑफ मिर्जापुर, इसलिए आप ये बिल्कुल मिस नहीं करने वाले हैं। इट इज स्ट्रीमिंग ऑन प्राइम वीडियो एज यू डू नो। Another OTT release for Hollywood fans, और ये हो रहा है Netflix पर, इनफैक्ट हो चुका है on the 3rd of July, is Eddie Murphy the legend returns as the iconic detective Axel Foley in Beverly Hills Cop Axel F. यहाँ पर होने वाला है हाई स्टेक्स एडवेंचर। उनकी बेटी Jane, who's portrayed by Taylor Page, is threatened. Axel has to team up. In fact, he does end up teaming up with new partner Detective Bobby Abbott, played by Joseph Gordon-Levitt. ये बड़ा मजा आने वाला है. And old friends Billy Rosewood, Judge Reinhold, and John Taggart, who's played by John Ashton. ये लोग unravel करने वाले हैं एक dangerous conspiracy within the police force पूरे 30 साल बाद. After the 1994 Beverly Hills Cop 3 के बाद ये 4th इंस्टॉलमेंट है इस एक्शन कॉमेडी फ्रेंचाइज में. There is no way you should miss out on this one. और 2 फिल्में हैं जो आज रिलीज हो रही हैं. ये ना काफ़ी सारी बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में, बड़े बड़े नामचीन स्टार्स जब रिलीज़ करते हैं अपनी फिल्में, बड़े बड़े प्रोड्यूसर्स के साथ काम करते हैं, उसके बीचों बीच अननोन एक्टर्स की भी फिल्में रिलीज़ होती हैं. थोड़े बहुत नोन है, थोड़े बहुत अननोन है, और इनका जो कॉम्बिनेशन बनता है विद वेरी वेरी गुड कंटेंट एंड इफ इट इज़ बैक्ड बाय अ वेरी बिग प्रोड्यूसर, तो फिर बात बनती है, राइट? एटलीस्ट द ट्रेलर इज सो प्रॉमिसिंग. द नेम ऑफ द फिल्म इज किल. इट इज़ अबाउट अ ट्रेन ट्रिप टू न्यू दिल्ली, जहाँ पर एक पेयर ऑफ कमांडोज आर फेस्ड विद एन आर्मी ऑफ बैंडिट्स. फिर ये कैसे लड़ेंगे और क्या लड़ाई होती है और क्या एक्शन है. द ट्रेलर, इफ यू स्टिल हैवंट वॉच्ड इट, प्लीज देखिए. ये रिलीज हो रहा है आज, डायरेक्टेड बाय निखिल नागेश भट्ट. The new stars are of course Lakshya and Tanya Maniktala. You've not heard about them. The person you've heard about is Raghav Joyal, who is an amazing dancer choreographer. ABCD fame के रहे हैं, डांस इंडिया डांस के फेम के रहे हैं, काफ़ी बड़े सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर भी हैं. And Raghav is playing a villain in this film. I'm putting my money on this one for sure. Another film releasing is औरों में कहाँ दम था. नाम में इतना दम नहीं है, पर स्टार्स में दम जरूर है. अजय देवगन, Tabu and Jimmy Shergill. It's a love story that unfolds from 2002 all the way to 2023. और नीरज पांडे साहब, जिन्होंने हमें फिल्म दी है स्पेशल एज वेल एज वेंसडे, इन फिल्मों के डायरेक्टर और राइटर जो है, उन्होंने इस फिल्म को लिखा और डायरेक्ट किया है. सो गोइंग बाय द स्टार कास्ट एंड द क्रू एक्चुअली बिहाइंड द फिल्म, आई थिंक दिस शुड बी अ प्रॉमिसिंग वन टू. So you are busy and packed for the weekend, I must say. इतनी सारी फिल्मों के बारे में मैंने आपको अभी बताई हैं कि आप मतलब आपके लिए तो प्लानिंग मैंने कर दी है. With that, I've come to the end of my show, Filmy Friday every Friday on Go MMT Radio with your host Annie. Have a super duper weekend. Ciao.
जरा मुस्कुरा दे, मुस्कुरा दे, जरा मुस्कुरा दे, ऐ खुशी गम बांट ले तू अपने, हमसे तू ले खुशी. हम हो गए अब तेरे, तू हो गई अपनी. मुस्मुस्सी जो मलाई, मुस्मुस्सी जो, जरा मुस्कुरा दे, मुस्कुरा दे, जरा मुस्कुरा दे, ऐ खुशी.
Good morning, make my trip. This is Vrinder Sehwag on your very own Go MMT Radio. Get set, go.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.